Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to install Python and VS Code and write our first Python program. So let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to download Python from the official website of Python. So open Google Chrome, type here python.org, press enter, click on download button, then select your operating system and download the appropriate version of Python. As you can see that it starts downloading. Once it's downloaded, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions. From here, click on add python.exe path. Click on customize installation. Then click on next. Check that add python to environment variable should be checked. Click on install. Give permission to it. Okay, wait for it. Till then, we can install VS Code. So type here VS Code. Press enter. VS Code is a popular code editor for Python. Click here. From here, choose your operating system, Mac OS, Windows and Linux. I'm using Windows, so I select Windows. Okay. It start downloading. Now click on Python. It's downloading. Wait. Okay, it's done. Click on close. Check for VS Code. So once it's downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instruction. Click on I accept the agreement. Then click on next button. Make sure that create a desktop icon should be checked. Click on next. Then click on install. It takes few time. Now we have Python and VS Code installed. Let's write our first program. For that, create a folder here. Okay, it's opened. Create a folder here. Name it as Python. Python program. Press enter. Now click on left key. Click on show more option. Choose open with code. Now from here, click on new file. Type hello.py. It's basically create a Python file in this code editor. Before that, come here on extension. Type here code runner runner. Okay, install it from here. It's installing. Till then, type here print hello Python. Save it by Ctrl+S. From that code runner extension, we got this triangular icon. On clicking it, we get our output. Hello Python. And that's it. We have written our first Python program. In the next video, we are going to cover some basic concepts of Python. Till then, stay tuned and happy coding.